Hi friends, setting up a digital business is easy and it can be a long-term earning source for you. And more important, you don't need any specific technical knowledge for all this. So if you want to start a digital business and start your earning online, this video is exactly for you, and subscribe this channel for all next video. Don't forget to press bell button as well. In this video, I'm going to show you on-demand service app. So you can be a owner of such app like on-demand service, maybe plumber, electrician, maids, security guards, whatever may be that can be on demand in the society. You are going to launch this app with simple promotion. Your app can be very popular in the locality that you are targeting, and you can start earning by charging for services from the service provider. Yes, so not for app users, you can directly charge from service provider, and you can put a regular cuts for your booking arrangements through your app. And since you are going to be the admin of this app, it is really a good business for you. So you might be thinking how it can be possible if you don't have any technical knowledge. So we have all the solution at Code Canyon, and I am going to overview on-demand service app, on-demand home service, business listing, handyman booking with admin panel. This is the script that is available at Code Canyon through the video description link. But yes, you have to understand how you are going to control all these things. So this is a demo link that you can avail in the video description itself. You can download this app if you want to feel this app, how it works. And I'm not going to show you the mobile screen, how it works, because it is really important to understand for you how your users are using that app, because you are not using the app for yourself, and you are going to be admin and you are going to control the app from the backend, that is from web app. So I'm going to show you first of all the admin panel of this app, and as an admin you have access all the things, and you can further assign new users, and the service providers can be registered, and I'll show you multiple screens. So remain until the end of the video and I'll show you all the screens through which you are going to control this app. And of course, you can download the app from the link and you can feel how your users are going to use this app. So let us start overviewing this complete features, and don't miss any part of this video, and you are going to completely understand how this system is working and how you are going to earn actually. The question that may be coming in your mind, this app is going to be hosted at Google Play Store. So your users are going to download this app from the Play Store itself. It is like all common applications that you are also using, and you are going to control this app from the backend. This is a dashboard where you can see the most common things, most important reports, that what is going inside the system for you. And you are owner, it can be completely whitelisted for you. It is going to have your selected name, so it is not like a repeated solution. You are going to whitelist it, and you can keep all the name, whatever the name and the skins etc you wish to keep for it. First of all, I'll show you the settings things, and this is important screen because once you start this script, once you start this application, you have to do a global setting and rest of settings for very first time for running the application. So setting is the first thing that I wish to show, and in the global setting, what you can do, this is global setting, and you can change the service name. Of course, as I said, you can change the application logo, provider, app name, and so there will be different app for service providers, and since you are admin, you are going to use the web app, the provider are going to use their app, and the users are going to use the common app that is going to be downloaded from Google Play Store. So don't confuse providers, service providers at your solution are going to have another app, and you can keep different name for them. And for users, I mean for masses, for people, you can keep another name. And you can also put short description and the theme. So two themes are available. So dark and light version, and theme color you can set. So basic things you have to set, and you can understand all these things from the screen preview itself. Localization is a thing that is another very important, because this service is going to cover a particular area. So you have to set the time format and the human date format, application language. So there might be your language as well. Basically, it is in English, and you can run the application in French and the Portuguese and Dutch as well. So it is totally configurable, and you have to select your area. Suppose you are running the application in India, you have to select India and all the respective countries, and the areas may be available for you. So you have to select your own zone where you are going to serve this app. And next screen gives you ability to offer the users to log in through the Facebook, and you have to integrate all these things. Like you can generate the application ID at Facebook interface, Facebook admins, and you can put the credentials here. Similarly, you can set the Twitter and log in with Google option for users. Payment is here, and you can receive payments in your currency. Most of the currency are available, like if you are running to application in Indian rupee, so you can use this Indian rupee as well. And majorly it can be US dollars, or some more currencies are available here. So currency in the right option is also here if you want to set. Further, if you did not find your currency here in the list, you can add your currency. So don't worry if it is not listed here. So you can list your currency here. You can put your currency symbol for respective countries, for respective areas, and you can configure your currency as well. So don't worry. Taxes can be set as per tax rules applicable in your country. Similarly, push notification you can set for giving the notification to the app users. Mail is configurable. You have to configure the SMTP settings from this screen. Translation is another feature that you can offer to your users, like you can offer the Dutch and the French, Portuguese, etc. Some translations are available. Further, custom fields. If you want to add in the respective forms like coupon provider, so you can use a custom field addition options, and you can use the custom field types and how you want to show and the address and all such things. So during the configuration, you'll find all these things very important. And the rest that is really very important is mobile application setting. So you have to set the mobile application. Once you set all these parameters, you have to set the global setting, how you are going to push your application to mobile. Like this is mobile application setting, and in the mobile application setting, you have to go for global settings like Google Maps key, and the localization is further available. You can select the country here, like if it is in India, you can directly select India here, because country code is important for the localization and mobile application. And you can further change the app versions as applicable for you. You can start with 0 or 1 version depending upon your releases, and you can configure the Google Maps console and all. Further, in the mobile app setting, you can change the theme, and the theme is available in light and dark mode. Further, you can change the main color of the theme, and you can change the color of light theme and dark theme. So it is totally configurable. You can change the color overall. So as I said, it is totally customizable solution, and you are going to set all the things. Next is mobile authentication. It is really important if you are running a reliable and long-term solution. You have to authenticate the users through OTP values. So if you check this solution, you have to configure the OTP verification, and I'll show you that screen as well. However, if you want to check and authenticate users through OTP, it is available here. Custom pages that you can configure here at the mobile, that is really important for hosting an app. So like terms and condition and privacy policy. So it is, without this you cannot host the application at Google Play Store. So it is really another important thing. And the mobile app setting, I think I have shown you much of the screen. And okay, slides. Some slides like assign a handyman at work, fix the household, and the button color and the background color can be set here. Like whatever the slides is being displayed on the app can be configured here, and you can add new slides. So if you are offering multiple service like technician, handyman, and cleaning service providers, so you can set the images that is being displayed on the app, and you can set colors and you can change colors as well. So it is another important and good feature that is available in the app solution itself. So this is the all thing for setting perspectives. From the setting perspectives, you have to do only these things, and rest things are for controlling the application from the backend. Now I'll show you the modules. Like this is subscription module, and you can create new modules and update modules. Like subscription module is here, and something is may not be available in the certain versions of this application. But yes, you can list the providers, like provider types, freelancer and the company, and the provider request can be seen here. This is the cleaning service request featured, and the phone number, the mobile, and all the details can be seen. Galleries can be updated for the provider screens, awards, and the experience, availability hours, and the address. So these are some basic things that you can handle easily for the providers and all the subscription users. Similarly, you have to set the service list that is available for the application, and you can add new services as applicable for you, like post-party cleaning and wedding photos, hairstyles. So these are the services that you can set, and the same will be available at the application itself. Option groups is a thing that you can decide, like size, area, and all. Further, this is for the drop down or such values, and you can create option groups as well. Like area, for area you can select multiple option groups. Size, I'll show you the option group might be. So allow multiple sizes. So this is the option group, save the option group, and this is the thing. Okay, so I'll show you the booking first. Services I have shown you, the service reviews can be seen, and options I have already shown you. Booking, I wish to show you, this is the screen where you can check all the bookings that is being received or coming on the system. So this is the detail, and you can check all the details from the view details option. So it is in pop-up, so this is may not be working for me. Okay, so the coupons is available for promoting through the coupons and the FAQ. Packages for providers you can set, like yearly, weekly, and monthly packages. Subscription you can get, but these are the things available in the add-on version of the application script. So you have to buy additional things. Payments you can set, like payments what you have received on the app and from home, and what is the amount. And payment list, payment methods you can set here. So the payment methods, maybe the PayPal, Razorpay, the cash payment, Stripe, and multiple payment gateways are here. Payment statuses can be seen on the screen. The wallets also can be used, like wallet list. Some wallets are also available, like, and this is some wallets, and you can further create a new wallet list here. Earnings, this is most important part because you are going to run a business, and this is the earning screen through which you can get all the idea what is the earning. Media library is another section where you can put the media and can be used in the system for further usage. And the app setting I have already shown you. Now I'll show you the provider screen. This is the login of service providers, and service provider can first of all set their profile, and the provider types can be here. This is multiple types of provider: freelancer and company providers and provider requests. Same screens, but this is having limited facility for providers like experience awards can be set here, and service booking coupons and FAQs and also things can be here. And the providers can check their earnings here. Further, media library is for them. They can upload their own pictures applicable for providing the services for them. All the things, all the reports can be exported in XML format, Excel, CSV, and PDF formats, and you can also set the columns what you want to see on the screen. Next is the customer screen that I am going to show you. And customer screen is always easy because customer are end users and they should not be get them. So this is the screen for the customers. However, they are accessing the application through app. But yes, this is the screen. And further, they can check the providers, who are the providers, and what they are providing. And the provider request can be seen, the categories can be set, services can be seen here, service list and the payments. So what the payment list had been made for the providers. Okay, so I believe this is a complete solution, and there are 3 levels of login and control system, like you are the admin, and the second is the providers, and third is the customer. And this is a package that you can buy at the Code Canyon through the video description link, and you don't need to worry about how it is going to be hosted at the Google Play Store. All the services will be available through links, and you are going to simply own this business, run this application, and you will be able to control all these things as is shown in this video. Digital business is a thing that you can set up, and this can be a regular source of income, the secondary source of income, and even for in certain cases, certain applications, it can be a main source of income for you. So it is a good idea to start a digital business. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, subscribe this channel and you can explore the ideas and solutions how you can start a digital business at a very nominal cost, very less expenditure, and I'll show you the price. Like this solution is available just for $59 at Code Canyon. Further, you have to buy the hosting and basic things, and your application is going to be live within $100 or $150. So it is a very low cost budget business that you can immediately start. It hardly takes 3 or 4 days in getting your application live on the Play Store. However, you can start immediately just by buying the script. And if you have any question, you can write in the comment section of this video. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.